Aeromobile. The Aeromobile is an exciting vehicle for a few reasons. First of all, it's a real flying car that can actually fly in real life. The designers have skillfully combined this flying ability with a sleek and beautiful design, making it a true work of art. You can use the Aeromobile for flying or regular road travel, and it promises to take you to your destination with style, elegance, and efficiency. It transforms into flight mode in just under 3 minutes, reaching a speed of 223 miles per hour and covering 466 miles. Even in car mode, it's no slouch with a top speed of 100 miles an hour. The Aeromobile is faster than most traditional flights, less stressful than traveling through a regular airline or ordering a helicopter. Keep in mind that in Europe, where it's certified to operate, you'll need a pilot license, and access to a runway is required. In the United States, it might not be available yet, but efforts are underway to make it accessible as soon as possible. Klein Vision Aircar. In late October 2020, Klein Vision shared a video of its aircar taking its first flight. Similar to the Aeromobile, this vehicle is a four-wheel car with only 2 seats, and it can actually fly like an aircraft. Unlike an instant vertical lift, the aircar requires a runway for takeoff and landing. When it's about to take flight, the aircar's tail extends backward a few feet to make room for the wide wings to fold out in an up and over motion. In car mode, the tail pulls back in, making the vehicle more compact and easier to drive. The aircar is powered by a 1.6-liter 6-cylinder engine made by BMW and weighs 2,400 pounds. As of now, the Klein Vision Aircar is still a working prototype, but it does exist. The company claims it will have a flying range of over 600 miles and be able to reach a top speed of 124 miles per hour in the air. Terrafugia TFX. Terrafugia envisions its flying car, the TFX, as the flying car for everyone, assuming, of course, that everyone has a pilot's license or can afford a flying car. The TFX is equipped with a hybrid powertrain that propels the wheels on the ground and uses 2 electric rotors for flying. Unlike some others, this vehicle takes off vertically, eliminating the need for a high-speed runway before becoming airborne. It can reach a maximum speed of around 200 miles per hour, and once in the air, the TFX can cover a range of 500 miles. In practical terms, this means the 4-seater flying car could transport you from Geneva to London in about 3 hours. However, it's still uncertain whether Terrafugia will take the concept further into development. As of now, the TFX is not yet ready for sale. EHang 216. The EHang 216 is not your typical car, it's more like a drone, free from the need for a driver or pilot. This innovative vehicle operates through an autonomous system that skillfully manages its 16 propellers and 8 arms. Capable of covering distances of up to 22 miles at a gentle speed of 8 miles per hour, it showcases its versatility by taking off and landing vertically on any flat surface. Safety is paramount, with a backup battery and communication system in place to handle emergency situations. Remarkably, the EHang 216 is already making waves as an air taxi in China, presenting a glimpse into the future of urban air mobility. With a price tag of approximately $300,000, this cutting-edge technology heralds a new era in personal aerial transportation. Jetson One. Jetson Aero, an American tech company, created the Jetson One, an electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft. This personal aircraft can smoothly take off and land vertically at speeds of up to 100 and 160 kilometers per hour, covering a range of 20 miles. The Jetson One houses 8 electric motors and a lightweight chassis made of aluminum and carbon fiber. Its user-friendly controls enable a single person to pilot the aircraft safely, with added safety features like a parachute system and ballistic recovery system. Equipped with high-tech sensors and a digital flight control system, it aids the pilot in navigation and other in-flight tasks. Although the Jetson One is still in development, the company is accepting pre-orders and plans to deliver soon, with the pricing likely to be high due to its cutting-edge features and design. Aeromobile 4.0. The Aeromobile 4.0 seamlessly combines a sporty road presence with the aerodynamic grace of a jet in flight, showcasing a sleek design and retractable wings. With an impressive flying range of up to 466 miles and a cruising speed of 124 miles per hour, this innovative vehicle requires a runway of 984 feet for takeoff and landing. Safety is a top priority, featuring a ballistic parachute system and an autopilot function. Set for delivery in 2023, the Aeromobile 4.0 represents a groundbreaking fusion of automotive and aviation technologies, elevating personal transportation to new heights. The price for this cutting-edge marvel is estimated at around $1.3 million, promising a thrilling and luxurious experience for those who dare to dream. Joby Aviation. Joby Aviation, an American transportation company, specializes in developing electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft. Their expertise lies in creating advanced and aerodynamic designs to enable reliable air travel on a large scale. One of their creations is the Joby S4, a 5-seat electric VTOL aircraft equipped with 12 electric motors and rotors, allowing it to take off and land vertically like a helicopter. With a range of up to 150 miles and a top speed of 200 to 320 kilometers per hour, the Joby S4 offers efficient short-distance travel. Joby Aviation is also working on an integrated air taxi service, utilizing a network of landing pads in cities for swift and easy passenger transportation. Alongside providing transportation services, Joby Aviation develops cutting-edge air traffic control systems and safety technology, ensuring the safe and effective operation of its eVTOL aircraft. Notably, leading technology and automobile manufacturers like Toyota, JetBlue, and Intel have made significant investments in the company. Airbus Pop-Up. The quest for a reliable and futuristic flying car has spanned decades. One of the latest concepts is the Pop-Up Next, a collaboration between Airbus, Audi, and Ital Design. This vehicle is designed to be autonomous, and the idea is quite straightforward. Passengers will book their trips using an app. The Pop-Up Next then automatically suggests the most efficient route based on passenger preferences stored in the app. The primary option is ground transportation, but if the roads are congested, Pop-Up Next will detach the passenger capsule from its ground module. The air module will then fly it to the destination. The concept aims to create a modular ground and air passenger vehicle with three main components: a passenger capsule made of carbon fiber, an electric-powered ground module, and an air module powered by a rotor propulsion system. Technically speaking, the Pop-Up Next is already very close to a form of new transportation that can be produced right now. PAL V Liberty. The personal air and land vehicle is an aircraft manufacturer based in the Netherlands. They've been in the business for over 20 years, always dreaming of creating a real flying car. After years of research and development, they launched their first flying car called PAL V Liberty. This vehicle is equipped with a 200 horsepower engine connected to a rear-facing propeller, an auto-rotating retractable main rotor for takeoff, and a gyrocopter flight system. Unlike regular cars, it has 3 wheels, 1 in the front and 2 in the rear. PAL V Liberty can reach a top speed of 112 miles per hour both on the ground and in the air. In flight mode, it consumes 6.8 gallons of fuel per hour, offering a flying range of 311 miles. On the ground, its fuel efficiency is 31 miles per gallon, providing a cruising range of 817 miles. There are different versions of PAL V available for purchase, including the Liberty Sport for $399,000 and the Liberty Pioneer for $599,000. Opener Black Fly. This vehicle doubles as a drone, and it's user-friendly with a joystick that lets you control its 4 propellers and 2 wings. It's capable of flying up to 25 miles at a speed of 62 miles per hour, taking off and landing vertically on any flat surface. The electric motor keeps things quiet, and for added safety, it's equipped with a ballistic parachute system. The Opener Blackfly has already received flight certification in Canada, making it a trusted option. If you are interested, it comes with a price tag of around $100,000.